Welcome back to Girls with Wisdom. My name is Karina, and today I'm going to show you how to use Java to make a tic-tac-toe game. So the first thing you're going to need to do is use a online compiler or a Java compiler like Eclipse, which is what I'm using, and we're going to start importing. So we have to import three things. Import java.util.scanner. We're going to copy this and just do it 2 more times and change this to arrays. And the last one being input mismatch exception. So then we're going to go right here and just write static scanner, and then underneath that just write static string, open brackets, and write board. Then we're going to write static string turn. After that, we're going to go down here and just write in equals new scanner parentheses system.in, and then just write board equals new string, open at 9, and then write turn equals big X. After this, we're going to write string winner equals null, and then just write populate empty board. So after we have this done, we're going to just do a print statement and write system.out.println and write welcome to the 2-player tic-tac-toe game. And then we're going to do another print statement and just change it to a bunch of dashes until it fills it up so it's equal and nice. And don't forget your semicolons. After this, we're going to just write a print board and have another print statement, and I'm just going to write in it X's will play first. Enter a slot number to place X in. After this, we're going to just do a while statement and do while the winner equals null, int num input try num input is equal to in dot next integer. So we're only going to write int like this, and then just write if exclamation, open your parentheses again, num input is greater than 0, and then you're going to do 2 and signs, and then just write num input. You're going to write num input is less than or equal to 9, and then you're going to open a bracket. After you open your bracket, you're going to do another print statement, and you're just going to write invalid input, re-enter slot number. And then after you have that done, you're just going to make this a colon like that, and then just write continue. So then we're going to do this and write catch of here and write input mismatch, like what we uploaded or imported, exception, E. And then have another open bracket and write system.out.print, and then we're going to copy this line and just write and then we're going to have it continue. And we are going to go down one bracket and just do an if statement and do parentheses board bracket num input -1 dot equals, and then parentheses string dot value of num input 1, 2, 3, open brackets again, and write board num input -1, and go out of it and just write equals turn, and then just do a semicolon, and we're going to do another if statement, if turn dot equals parentheses x, open it and write turn equals 0, and then go down one and write else turn equals x. After we have that written, we're going to go down a bracket again and do print board one more time, and just write winner is equal to check winner. After we have that done, we are just going to go down one more and write else with another open and write turn is equal to big X, and go down again and write sorry, there was a mistake. So we're going to do print. Okay, so we have check winner, and then we have another else statement, and then we're going to do another print line. So let's copy this, and in here we are going to write slot already taken, colon, re-enter slot number. After we have that, we're going to go down and just do another continue, and go down 2 more times, and then do another if statement. If the winner dot equals, ignore case, you're going to put in parentheses draw. And then you're going to open another one, and then do a print statement and just write it's a draw. It's a draw. Thanks for playing. And then we're going to do another else print statement, congratulations. And then go out of it and just write plus winner plus quote s. Have won. Thanks for playing. And then after we have this done, we're going to just go down 2 more and just do another static string check winner. And then open it again and just do a for int a equals 0, colon, a is less than 8, given the spots on the grid, a plus plus. We're going to open another set of brackets and write string line is equal to null, and then just write switch parentheses a, and then open it again and write case 0, colon, line is equal to board 0 plus board 1 plus board 2. and then we're going to just write break. And then after that, we're going to write case 1. We're going to write case 1 is then write line is equal to board of 3 plus board 4 plus board 5. So let's see if we have any issues here. Okay, and then we're going to go just copy this and repeat it for how many grids we have. So we have to do this 7 times. So we're going to copy this and just write case 2 and then do 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to do another break and then do this for case 3. And then just do 0, 3, 6. You have to do all the possible variations. And then you're going to do it again and write case 4 and do 1, 4, 7. Another time for case 5. And we're going to do 2, 5, 8. You have to pay attention to the grid and just pay close awareness of what doesn't work. So I had to do this before to figure out all the possible combinations. And then for case 6, there's only 2 more left. We're going to do 0, 4, 8. And now case 7 is 2, 4, 6. So we are going to close it once and write another if statement, and if the line dot equals x, 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 we're going to go twice, and then just write return x. So then after this, we're going to just close it up. And we're going to just... So given that YouTube only allows a 15-minute slot, I had to just do the code myself, and so the video can fit into YouTube. So what I did was, all I had to do was just enter in a lot of minus and plus signs, even forward and backwards slashes, so we can create the grid for the tic-tac-toe game. So now that everything is here, here's my entire code. I'll go from the top so you can understand. Make sure you have no errors. And you need to be very careful with this. Even the slightest error with your curly brackets, with your syntax, even with your coordination of your board grids here is very important. So now that we have this, make sure this grid is also done accurately. We're going to compile it. Hopefully there are no errors. Okay, great, it works. So it goes, welcome to the 2-player tic-tac-toe. X will play first. Enter a slot to place X in. So I'm going to go with 1. Great, X is now there. Now it's Zero's turn, so I'm playing with my sister, and she's going to press 2. Okay, now I'm going to go back and just do 7. And she's going to go back, and she says she wants to do 5. I've decided that I want to go 9, and she wants to go, she's debating and going for 8. And she won. So that's how the tic-tac-toe game is played. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our team at girlswithwisdom@gmail.com or go onto our Instagram and DM us at girlswithwisdom. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.